Hey, how you doing? Austin here. Ethereum is making a run. The EIP 1559 is up and running. I'm going to show you proof of that. We have successfully implemented that, and we are beginning to, I firmly believe, make the run. You can see on your screen right now, Ethereum is up 7.35. Let's click into that and check it out. Earlier this morning, it did dip down to in the 2600 range. I actually bought more Ethereum yesterday, just FYI, full disclosure, huge fan. So we're going to be talking about everything here with the latest with Ethereum. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and you need to check out my Patreon in the link below to come and be accessing, my portfolio, everything, see everything I'm doing, buy, sell, trade alerts. You get a weekly hot tip newsletter for hot cryptos, things like that. You also get access to me if you want to direct message me. I can help you with everything like that, and we have Discord over there, private community. Okay, so Ethereum just continues to run. We've gone over $2,800 right now. That's really awesome. So what I have to do is I just got to stay on video all day, and this thing's just going to continue to go up. You guys who know me know I'm kidding, all right? But this is really cool to see it running. We've got a major nice move here. Look at this trading view chart. This is really cool. Okay, so let's take a look at this, kind of scale this back just a little bit. I mean, you can see we've got a major run, okay, moving up here. I mean, look at these green candlesticks, just boom, and continuing to move up. It's really cool to see this happening. Okay, I want to show you real quickly. We have proof right here. ethernodes.org/London, Ethereum London upgrade countdown. Whoop, sorry about that. Didn't mean to click on that. There's obviously an ad there somewhere. The upgrade is now live on the Ethereum mainnet. There you go. Boom. Okay. So that's pretty darn cool. Okay. So I want to continue to talk to you about some stuff I've been talking to you about the last couple of days. There is a very strong case for Ethereum to go to 5,500 as a result of this progress that we've seen moving forward with the EIP 1559 going into effect today. Which here's really simply what that did. Okay. Well, let's see. So I actually changed my. There it is right there. Sorry, here we go. EIP 1559 introduces a new fee structure to Ethereum to make Ethereum less inflationary. This protocol changes how the controversial because it aims to burn part of the fees, hence decreasing miner revenue. And what they didn't say is also reduce begins to reduce the go forward new supply of Ethereum being created, which does what? Increases the price for the existing circulating Ethereum, period. Okay, and so that's what EIP 1559 effectively does. Okay, and that's what went live today. All right, so continuing this is a fantastic document that I have dropped and will continue to drop links below so you can go read this. It is a very well written piece of content that basically talks about very key technical indicators that we've continued to pass and continue to surpass, right? That paint the picture of Ethereum going to $5,500 by September. Yes, you heard me right. $5,500 by September is a very reasonable scenario that could start to play out because what's happening is we've had the cumulative balance of Ethereum on exchange wallets has been dropping. Okay, so that's effective. That's that. Additionally, the exchange net flow indicator also highlighted that the outflows have by and large been overshadowed by inflows since June. Cumulatively, these two indicators asserted the fact that market participants expect the price of ETH to react positively to the upgrade. Hence, they are buying more additional tokens, also undermine the minimal selling pressure present on ETH. There is really no selling pressure, and we continue to, we're right there where we're at, okay? Where was I at? Right here, okay. So there's another key indicator here. Okay, so basically this market value to realized value ratio has not dunked below 1 since June 2020. And when the indicator inches towards 3.7, it intensifies the odds of us heading towards all-time highs. Okay, so that number right there is the big one. As we get closer to that 3.7 number, well, here's where we're at. And probably further along now. Okay, so right now we had inched up to 1.5 and then a 2.18 going towards this 3.7 number, okay? And as we there's historical precedent that as we've gotten towards this number, historically, when Ethereum had made its moves up, is when as we inch towards this number. And right now we're at a 2.18, and probably further along now. And then when this article here, this piece of content was written, okay. So when we breach the 3.7 level, more often than not, the same has had a ripple effect on Ethereum's price going up. Okay, that's kind of what this whole document has said. So right here, during the first instance in 2019, we witnessed a spike of 67%. Okay, when we got close to that 3.7 number that we've been talking about, and then in mid-March to mid-July in 2020, we got close to that number or spiked over that number. We went up 112%, and that's how they're saying that we could basically breach a $3,500 to $5,500 level by September, guys. It's entirely possible. I mean, right now you're seeing this run, right? You're seeing this run up, and it's just continuing to kind of do its thing. We've eased back a little bit from when I started the video, but also factoring into this, and I've talked about this in every video, is this piece of market research that is pretty compelling. I drop a link below in the description for you guys to check this out. It paints the case that we could hit a $30,000 to $50,000 per Ethereum per Ethereum coin by January of 2023. 30 to 50,000. Yes, that's entirely possible. It's a market research document from Squish Chaos, which I think is one of the best names that there is. So what drives, and oh, by the way, it's a possibility to get to 150,000. It's a very strong possibility. So what drives that, getting to either of these two numbers, is increased illiquidity, increased demand, catalyst, and narrative adoption. Okay, so catalyst is, one of the big one was EIP 1559 that went into effect today. Okay, and that begins the process of helping us move towards obviously proof of stake. It also helps to to basically move forward the reduction of new issuance of Ethereum. Okay. And they're equating this to Bitcoin halving events. Okay, so this EIP 1559, they're equating to a halving event, which the Bitcoin halving events, when they've happened in the past, have absolutely had a profound spike impact on Bitcoin and spiking the price of Bitcoin up. Okay, and so everything here is just painting the stage and just setting the stage, if you will, for Ethereum to do some pretty amazing things in the next 2-3 months, and obviously going into 2022 and going into 2023. In my opinion, Ethereum has become one of the most exciting cryptos there is, period, in the entire market. And I'm personally adding more and more to my Ethereum positions, even at these levels, because I think that it's going to continue to go up profoundly. As far as kind of like an investing strategy around it, again, not investing advice, I definitely believe that you should own some Ethereum, and it should be the core. That's how I look at it. It's the core of my overall crypto holdings. I own some Bitcoin, but I own more Ethereum than I own Bitcoin. And then I have some Cardano, some Polygon, some AMP, things of that nature. Beyond that, I've also got some holdings in the NFT gaming space, but I put most of my money, new money, into Ethereum because it's where I think the best return will be as we move forward. That's how I look at it, right? Okay. So as always, truly, thank you for your support. I appreciate you, and take it easy. I'll be back. Bye.